Hello everyone, I'm back again, and in this video I'll be guiding you on how best to install VMware Workstation Player on your Windows system. Now let's get started. So what we have to do is open our browser and search for VMware Workstation Player. You can use any browser of your choice. I'm going to be opening my Chrome browser and then search for VMware Workstation Player. When the result comes out, click on the first option, which is download VMware Workstation Player, which is from the official website of VMware, as you can see here. I will also add the link here in the video description in case this is not the first result from your search. So let's click this. Then what you need to do is to scroll down, and after scrolling down you can see try Workstation 16.0 Player for Windows. So this is 16.0 version. We click on download, we wait for the download to finish, and then we run our program. Now the download has finished, so we double click on the program that has been downloaded. It's going to show a window whether you want to accept it to run, and I clicked on yes. So it's trying to install it, and it's bringing up the installation wizard. So we click on next. You accept the terms and the license, click on next. Yeah, we need to add the VMware Workstation console tools in the paths. We also need to enable the enhanced keyboard driver, which will also require a reboot when it's done installing. You can leave all this as they are because it's important for the product to check for updates. Next, upgrade. We have to wait for a little bit, and then when the installation is done. So the installation is done. If you have a license key, you can click on license, but I don't have a license key since I'm working on the free version. So I click on finish, and it says, do you want to restart your system? And I click on yes. Now the installation is done, and you can see our VMware Workstation Player on our desktop. So you double click on it to launch the player. And now you can see the screen, the VMware Workstation Player. It's for non-commercial use also, and if you want to launch a new virtual machine, you just click here, create a new virtual machine, and then you can import the ISO and do the next steps, and I'll be showing this in another video. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.